Introduction. Hi there, If you're interested in starting an online business without holding any inventory, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore the basics of dropshipping, a way to sell products online without the hassle of storing or shipping them yourself. What will we cover? In the next 3 minutes, we'll break down the key steps to get started with dropshipping. We'll look at how it works, the benefits, and the typical costs involved. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether dropshipping is right for you. What is dropshipping? So, what is dropshipping? Simply put, it's a retail fulfillment method where you sell products online without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. You never touch the product, but you get to keep the profit. Example: imagine you're selling t-shirts online. You partner with a supplier who has a warehouse full of t-shirts. When a customer buys a t-shirt from you, you order one from the supplier, who ships it directly to the customer. Benefits of dropshipping. Dropshipping has several benefits, including low upfront costs. You don't need to invest in inventory or storage space. Flexibility. You can sell a wide range of products without having to hold any inventory. Scalability. Your business can grow quickly without being limited by storage or shipping constraints. Choosing a niche. To get started with dropshipping, you'll need to choose a niche, a specific area of products you want to focus on. This could be anything from electronics to fashion. When selecting a niche, consider competition. Is the market saturated or are there opportunities to stand out? Demand. Are people actively searching for products in this niche? Pricing. Can you offer competitive pricing while still making a profit? Finding suppliers. Once you've chosen a niche, you'll need to find reliable suppliers who can provide products on a dropshipping basis. Look for suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Not all suppliers offer dropshipping, so make sure they do. Have a good reputation. Check online reviews and ratings to ensure the supplier is trustworthy. Provide accurate shipping information. You'll need this to fulfill orders efficiently. Setting up an online store. To start selling, you'll need to set up an online store. This can be done through platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. When setting up your store, choose a theme. Select a theme that's visually appealing and easy to navigate. Add products. Add the products you've chosen to sell, making sure to include high-quality images and descriptions. Configure shipping options. Set up shipping options to ensure smooth order fulfillment. Marketing your store. Finally, you'll need to market your store to attract customers. This can be done through social media. Share products and promotions on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Paid advertising. Use platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to reach a wider audience. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers to promote your products to their followers. Conclusion. That's a basic overview of how to start a dropshipping business. Remember, starting any business takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and strategy, you can succeed. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or want to share your own dropshipping experiences, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content on entrepreneurship and online business.